Students, today we are going to again repeat that point, hexadecimal number system. In this hexadecimal number system, for this number system base is a 16, that values that represents from 0 to 15, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in a hexadecimal number system 10 is represented by A character, 11 is represent B, 12 is represent C, 13 is represent D, and 14 is E, and F is represent as a 15 number is represented by F. 0 to 9 binary and hexadecimal number represent same, but after that 10 to 15 in a hexadecimal number system represent as A, B, C, D, E, F. First conversion, decimal to hex. In this case, decimal number is divided by 16, and this 16 is converted to its equivalent hexa format, and if that number is a fraction number, then that fraction number we multiply by decimal number by 16 up to required number of significant digit. That first conversion, hexa to decimal, that convert first if that integer number, that is the first example, 2338. This is a one number that is a decimal. We convert this number into 16, that is in a hexadecimal number system. For that number we divide by 16, 2338. Reminder and quotient is noted that 2338 divided by 16, that answer here is 46, and here is reminder 2. Again that 16 is divided by 146, there is a 9, and here is 2. That 16 number is not divided by 9, so this 9 is recorded into this answer, and that for integer number we record the answer from bottom to top. So 2338, this decimal number converted at answer 92216. That is a conversion decimal to hexa. If second example, if there is a fraction number, this is a fraction number, then for that fraction number we multiply by 16. In this integer number divided by 16, if the fraction number is then multiplied by 16. So 0122 into 16, that answer is 1925. In that answer 1.925, this one is here recorded. Again from this 1.925, this 0.925 multiplied by 16, so answer is 5232. From this answer this 15 is recorded. Again 0.32 into 16, answer is 3.712. so answer is 3.72, answer is here recorded. From 712 into 16, 11.392. That answer 11 is here, and from this 11.392 into 16, that answer is 272. So from this 6.72, this is the answer is here recorded, and that answer for 15 in a hexadecimal number system, 15 is represented as a F and 11 is represented as a B. So answer is noted from top to bottom. So this conversion for 0.12210 decimal, that is converted into hexa, that is form answer is recorded from top to bottom. So 0.1F3B6, base is a 16, that conversion decimal to hex. If integer number divided by 16, if fraction number multiplied by 16, that is a decimal to hexa conversion. Next conversion, hex to decimal. In this hex to decimal number system, this conversion number hex number is multiplied by in terms of power 16, that all the digit to the left side multiplied by positive positive powers and right hand side of decimal number are multiplied by negative powers of 16. That is first example 2AF. This is a hex number that is converted to decimal. In this conversion, left hand side numbers are multiplied by positive powers, right hand side decimal numbers are multiplied by negative powers. So this 2AF, for this 2FF, from LSB to MSB, F is represented as a first number, that is a first positive term. This number are represent 6 raised to 0. For this, in terms of power is positive powers, left hand side we noted. This is a 16 raised to 1 and this is a 16 raised to 2. So answer we calculate 2 into, that is a 16 raised to 2 plus A means in a hexadecimal number system represent 10. So 10 into 16 raised to 1 plus F is in a hexa represented as a 15. So 15 into 6 raised to 0. For this F, this power is represented as a 0 for this 1 and this is a 2, and in terms of base for the hexadecimal number system is 16. So for F 16 raised to 0, A 16 raised to 1, for 2 is represent 16 raised to 2. E and answer is calculated by Calci. This is a 687 that is converted, that is a hexa to decimal. Second answer, second problem, 0F to 7. This is a 16 base 16 converted into decimal, that conversion hex to decimal. So 0.F27, that number are represented in a right hand side. So for this numbers, that powers are represented as a negative in terms of base. So for this F is 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2, 16 raised to minus 3. So answer 0.F is represented as a 15 in a hexadecimal, 16 raised to minus 1. For this is a 2 into 16 raised to minus 2 plus 7 into 16 raised to minus 3. Answer is 0.947, base is a 10. This conversion is hexa to decimal number. Next is next conversion is hex to binary. Next conversion is a hex to binary. In this hex to binary number system, hex number is represented in a binary as a group of 4 binary digit. In octal to binary, that in a octal to binary number system, that number is represented as a 3 binary digits, but in a hexadecimal number system, binary number is represented as a 4 binary digits. So first example, FFA, this is a hex number, is converted into binary. So that is a number hexa is represented in binary, 4 binary digits. This is F is a 15, F is this 15, this A is represent 10. So F is represented as a binary as a 111. This is a 15 is represented in binary 111, and this 10 is represented in a binary 1010. So total answer grouping of these all 4 digits FFA 16 base is converted into binary, that is a 1111, this 1111, and this is a 1010. This is a hex to binary conversion. Next is a binary to hex. Next conversion is a binary to hex. In this binary to hex conversion, we group the binary digits in a group of 4 bits. We group that binary number in the 4 bits. That exactly opposite of this hex to binary number system. That is the first example, 110.0110110. That binary number is converted into hexa. Group of 4 bits. So first this example 11001110.01110. group form. This is a base or radix point. From this left side and right side you have to group of 4 bits. So this is a 4 group. This is a one first group 4 bit. This is a 3 bit. There is a to complete the bit we add 1 0 to complete the 4 bit, that is a hexa is represented in a binary as a 4 bit. This is a group of 4 bits. This is the first group, and for this 1 0, that to complete bit there are add 2 zeros and we complete that 4 bit group. This binary to hex, binary digits in a group of 4 bits and find the corresponding digit, hex digit. This 0 1 0 0 in a represent as a hex as a 6. This is a represented as a number 6. 0 1 1 as 0 is represented as a 6. 0 1 0 0 this is represented as a 6. 1 0 0 represented as a 8. So total answer 66.68 base is a 60. This conversion is a hex to binary conversion. Next conversion is hex to octal. Hex to octal. In this hex to octal conversion, first hex number is converted to octal. So hex number is first converted. Hex is converted to first binary by 4 digits. And this 4-bit binary digits is the group of 3 bits. That conversion is and that group of 3 bits number is represented as a octal. First hexa number convert binary 4 digits, and this binary 4 digits is a convert into group of 3 bits, and that number is represent octal. That first example 4CE 16 to convert into octal. So 4CE, this 4CE is first converted into binary 4 digits. That 4 is represented in a binary as a 0 1 0 0. C means number is a 12 and E is 14. So 12 is represented in a binary as a 1 1 0 0 and 14 is represented as 1 1 1 0. And that number 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 and this is 1 1 1 0, and group of 3 bits, and that number is represented as a octal. So grouping of 3 bits, this is the form left hand side. That number is not here point from that left hand side. This is a group of 3 bits. 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 Here is a complete bit, so not add any extra 0. This number is represented as a in a octal as a 3-bit represent, that is a 2. This is a in a 0 1 1 is represented as a in octal number is 3 bits is a 3. This number 0 1 1 is represented as a octal number system as a 1, and this 1 1 0 is represented in octal number system is 6. So this conversion answer 2316, that is a conversion hexa to octal. That hexa number is 4C16 base 16 that convert into octal 2316. Second 0 to E 16 to base 8, that conversion 0 1 to E. 1 is represented in a binary 4-bit 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. This 2 is represented in binary 0 0 1 0, and this E is represented as a 14 number. This 14 is represented in a binary 1 1 1 0, and grouping from here start for point from this is the right hand side. If left hand side they not point, so this is start from LSB to MSB grouping. So this is a 0 0 0 first group. This is the 3-bit group at 1 0 0. This is the next group 1 0 1, that is a 3-bit group, and this is next group 3-bit. So there is a no extra 0 is added, that complete 3-bit group. So this 0 0 is represented as in a octal number system 3-bit is a 0. 1 0 0 this represented as a 4. This 1 0 1 is represented in octal number system is a 5. This is a group of 3-bit, and this last 3-bit 1 1 1 0 is represented in octal as a 6 number. So answer is this is a 0.045 4 5 6 that convert into octal. This number system is known as a conversion as hexa to decimal number system. Next number system, octal to hex. This is exactly reverse of hexa to octal. Here first octal number is represented in a first binary 3 bits or 3 digits, and this 3 digits group of 4 bits, and this group of 4 bit is represented as a hexa number, that is octal to hexa. This is a exactly opposite of hexa to octal. That first one example, 371, this is octal, convert into hexa, that is a base 16. This 371, this 1 is represented in a binary, octal number is represented in a binary 3 digits,